TLE6, Home Economics. Tools, utensils, and equipment and their substitutes in food preservation, LM. TLE6HE-0g-11. Learning competencies, code TLE6HE-0g-11, week 7. Uses the tools/utensils and equipment and their substitutes in food preservation/processing. Identifies the tools/utensils and equipment. Prepares plan on preserving/processing food. Lesson objectives. 1. Identify the tools, utensils, and equipment in food preservation. 2. Prepare plan on preserving/processing food. 3. Use tools and equipment used in food processing. 4. Discuss the guidelines in food processing. Let's be informed. Tools and equipment contribute to the success of food preservation. Tools and equipment needed in preserving food. 1. Knife is a cutting tool used in paring, peeling, and cutting food. 2. Mixing bowl is used for placing and mixing ingredients. 3. Tray is a rectangular, shallow container where ingredients are placed during preparation. 4. Chopping board is where food is placed when cut. 5. Colander is where vegetables and fruits are drained. 6. Glass measuring cup is used in measuring liquid ingredients. 7. Measuring spoons are used for measuring ingredients in small quantity. 8. Preserving bottles. It is where food to be preserved are placed. 9. Grater, used for grating fruits or vegetables. 10. Funnel is used for placing liquid in containers with small opening. 11. Strainer is used in straining food to remove lumps or drain food in small quantity. 12. Weighing scale is used to weigh required ingredients. 13. Hand towel is used for wiping bottles and hands while working. 14. Plastic measuring cup is used for measuring dry ingredients. Food preservation guidelines. 1. Use food in season. 2. Use properly sanitized and appropriate equipment. 3. Be clean and wear clean kitchen outfit. 4. Have all the needed ingredients and equipment on hand before starting to work. 5. Select the best process and method for your product. 6. Be well organized, systematic, and quick while working. 7. Follow the recommended time and temperature in the recipe. 8. Seal the jars tightly, put proper labels, and store in a cool, dry place. Let's remember, it is necessary to follow the guidelines in food preservations to prevent spoilage. Let's do together. Draw at least 10 tools used in food preservation and label them. Decide and plan a food preservation project. Enforcement. In the absence of the following tools, what tools can be used as substitute?